How to sign up for a ClearScore account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for a ClearScore account. ClearScore is a financial technology company based in London, England. It provides free credit scores and report to users along with a marketplace for financial products like credit cards and loans. Here's how you can create an account on it. First of all, ensure that you have already downloaded the authentic ClearScore application on your mobile device. Now once you have done that, launch open your ClearScore application on your mobile device, and soon after opening the application, you will land on this homepage. Here at the bottom, you'll be able to locate Create New Account. Simply tap on it and then you'll be taken to this page. Here you will need to enter your email address in this field and then select your country. Once after selecting your country, tap on the Continue button right here. After that, in the next page, you will need to provide your full legal name and date of birth. And after that, you can now set up a password for your account. You may also need to answer questions or link your bank account using open banking to verify your identity. There, you will need to enter your current and past addresses for the last 3 years. After that, follow any additional prompts to complete the registration process. And once it is registered, you can view your credit score and report, which will be updated weekly. So by following these steps, you can easily sign up for a ClearScore account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.